If the traction battery of an electric vehicle is already on fire when the fire department arrives, appropriate measures must be taken to control the battery fire. First, the secondary fire must be brought under control to allow the battery extinguishing system to be installed. White smoke and popping sounds are signs of a battery entering thermal runaway. High-voltage traction batteries of electric vehicles can burn for hours until eventually extinguished. Even batteries that appear to have been extinguished can reignite due to ongoing chemical reactions inside, leading to flare-ups. Therefore, a dual-layer fire protection approach is recommended, even when using AVL Stingray One. Once the fire is suppressed, the system can be installed and activated remotely from a safe distance. Activation penetrates the battery, allowing extinguishing water to be introduced into the battery pack. The battery's designated ventilation openings ensure the safe discharge of water. AVL Stingray One ensures efficient cooling performance, rapidly bringing down the battery temperature. At the same time, reduced water consumption saves resources and time, making the process more environmentally friendly. The battery is cooled as deemed necessary by the incident commander until the fire is fully extinguished. AVL Stingray One can also remain installed in the vehicle for subsequent monitoring or during towing and can be reactivated to flood the battery should reignition occur. AVL Stingray One is also usable indoors or in difficult environments such as garages or tunnels, protecting first responders, people, and properties in case of battery fires.